April 7th, 2019. This is 8 p.m. in the evening, and this is what the colonies look like. So, this is how I would check to see in the night what's going on with these colonies. This is the tallest that I have here right now. They're doing very well, man. Expecting to extract honey coming up soon. Yeah. So I will let you know what's going on when I open them up. Give you a little video on that. So don't forget, subscribe for those who didn't remember. Yeah, man. You could also share it too. And most of all, hit that bell icon so that all the new ones will come straight into your inbox. And it has been a very good pleasure. I've given all you the 4 P's. Yeah, man. So, TTFN, thanks for watching.